Alright, we are at a private apartment building here in New York City. And this is supposedly a tiny elevator. Holy cow. Oh, this is a vintage OTIS. Whoa. And it's tiny. Wow. This thing is tiny. Look at these fixtures. Hey there. Beautiful old OTIS elevator, 1,000-pound capacity. Now we're going to go back down to 1. Alright, I think we have a messed up door restrictor. We're going to test the emergency stop. That rings the bell. Oh, it remembers the call, so this is a new controller. This thing is epic.
You accidentally hit the alarm?
No, I did a stop test.
Oh.
Look at this.
Yeah.
This thing is epic. So go ahead and let it close up. That'll be it. Uh-oh, the video's over. But it doesn't have to be. You can always watch more, and you know what to do. And don't forget to subscribe and light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.